The Mediterranean diet is one of the most useful for people looking to lose weight. While the diet primarily emphasizes losing weight and reducing the number of carbohydrates one needs to consume, pasta is a delicious part of any diet. What kind of pasta can you eat on the Mediterranean diet? Whole wheat pasta is the #1 option for those in the Mediterranean. It is the same as regular pasta, but more compact with nutrients that will improve the quality. The whole wheat pasta also features a lot of fiber and nutritional value, which means that while it will fill you up in the same way as normal pasta, you will eat a little less. In the following video, we will have a closer look at some of the pasta that you can consider. There are various healthy foods that one can use on the Mediterranean diet, which works the same as the standard alternatives. We have also listed a couple of the top options to be selected when buying pasta for your diet. What kind of pasta can you eat on the Mediterranean diet? There are a couple of different pasta forms that you can choose, and each of them will bring something else to the table. The variety of pasta one can choose from will be a lot. However, we have selected some of the best options that one can select when you are looking to add pasta to your Mediterranean diet. Whole wheat pasta. Whole wheat pasta is the most popular of all healthy pasta. It is pasta that has been made using whole grains. Aside from being more filling, the pasta also features numerous other benefits, including more fiber. Veggie-based pasta. Veggie-based pasta might not be as popular, but it is much lower in terms of calories when compared to many of the others. It is commonly made from durum or semolina flour. The main part of the pasta is made from puree vegetables like carrots, etc. Legume-based pasta. One of the other alternatives you can look at is legume-based pasta. These kinds of pasta are made from chickpeas and red lentils. However, it also features corn and some of the binding materials. The upside is that it is very low in overall calories. Gluten-free pasta. Gluten is one of the main things that could lead people to gain some weight. However, gluten-free pasta eliminates this issue and is mainly made using corn flour or rice flour. The pasta is light and it does not have such a caloric density. If you are looking to lose some weight, you need to consider looking at gluten-free pasta. What types of pasta should you avoid? Much like there are various healthy kinds of pasta, you can't trust that all of them are the same. Many pasta forms have been created to ensure a good taste, but they include all the additives that could lead to you picking up weight. You must know which pasta forms are good and try to avoid those that are not healthy. White pasta is commonly the one you would like to avoid. It is pure pasta, as we know it, and most Italian dishes will use white pasta due to the taste. The downside is that the pasta does have gluten and it can take slightly longer to digest. You want to speed up your metabolism with dishes that are easier to digest. We have compiled a small list of pasta kinds that those on the Mediterranean diet might want to avoid. White pasta, all forms. Lasagna. Ravioli. Alfredo pasta. While there are many more, these are some of the unhealthiest options you will find yourself dealing with daily. You must know which pasta is in your food when you are following the Mediterranean diet. Top 3 types of pasta for the Mediterranean diet. While you might already understand which pastas are the best, we have done some additional research. We have tried to find a couple of pasta products that would work the best for those on a Mediterranean diet. If you are an avid follower of the Mediterranean diet, the following options should be great for you. Disecco whole wheat pasta. Pros: made from whole grains. No GMO. No trans fat. 11-minute cooking time. Cons: no cons. Bottom line, if you are making Italian dishes, you might need Italian pasta. The Disecco whole wheat pasta is made in Italy, and it is one of the healthiest forms of pasta you can buy. The whole grain ingredients will ensure that you do not stuff yourself, and you will have pasta rich in fiber and other healthy nutrients. Explore Cuisine organic chickpea spaghetti. Pros: chickpea is the main ingredient. Easy to make. No allergens. Affordable. Cons: it needs some sauce for taste. Bottom line, the Explore Cuisine organic chickpea spaghetti might be one of the top kinds of pasta for those on the Mediterranean diet. However, the taste is a little bland. It is one of the best options to ensure you stay healthy and in shape in terms of healthy nutrients. Jovial brown rice pasta. Pros: healthy design, excellent taste, whole grain, Gluten-free. Cons: no cons. Bottom line, if you're looking for a good alternative, the jovial brown rice pasta is one of the best options you can consider. It is healthy and it does not have any additives. Additionally, it has great taste and you will enjoy making it. Final words. No matter which diet you choose, you always have a few compromises, and you must be comfortable with the foods you choose to eat. The Mediterranean diet is one of the best, and with the right forms of pasta, you can spice it up. Let us know in the comment section if you have used any of these kinds of pasta and if we have missed your favorites. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.